Oh, look what's coming out. I wonder if
the one that we wanted to look at.
That is probably the one we're trying to look at. That's so funny. Well, as you see, we're going to be coming to Coleraine to look at some campers.
Nope, there it is right there. All right, guys, so as you may have heard us talk, we are now looking for our next rig, what type of rig we want for when I retire. That still may be 4 or 5 years away, 6, who knows. Could be tomorrow. Depends on my mood.
Nope.
Don't. We are going ahead and search out the style we want and to see if it works for us. And one, I got to know if I can fit in it. That's my biggest issue.
Fit in the bathroom.
Fit in the bathroom. And just if it's going to be too compact for 2 people to be in for a long period of time. Right? So we're going to go look at some B pluses. Their rear camera. 5,000 pound hitch to tow. You probably can't tow 5,000 pounds. That's part of the issue with having the Mercedes. Your cargo carrying capacity is around 1,000. I ride a motorcycle. My thought is getting an enclosed trailer to pull behind something like this with the motorcycle in it, and it gives you more storage, right? So you can take other things that are big, because this doesn't have a lot of storage outside. Even though it's there, we can't get to it, but it's really tiny. Tankless water heater.
Oh, really?
True Aqua Go tankless.
It's got some storage
Water
over
heater.
on this side too.
Well, over here is where your generator would be as well.
They got this guy snug up against this building. Somebody came in and ransacked it.
Probably turn the batteries off so you can't have lights.
Yeah, but all it was a switch. He did it right there. Turn it back on. Just while we're in here, we'll make sure we shut it down. Okay, this is weird.
Yeah.
It's tight, that's for sure.
So you got this. It makes for
more counter space.
More counter space.
So, driver's seat doesn't turn around, you think?
It does.
Okay.
They just don't have it around. And what you do is you probably have them at an angle like this, so and then you can sit and watch TV. This is actually pretty comfortable. All right, so we're in a Jayco Melbourne Prestige. I don't know
It says 24 NP.
Yeah, 24
right
MP.
here.
So it's a rear lounge version. Some of the things right off the bat, no slide. I kind of like that, but I don't like it because it doesn't widen up any. But even if it had a slide, it'd be like 1.5 feet. So we would gain just like this much more room. Some of the things Joni has issues with these smaller ones is making sure we have 2 different spaces. So like if I get up early in the morning, I could be in a different space than her. And this floor plan accomplishes that. So it's got a rear lounge. This is the front. You see, you get what you get. This here, of course, is a seating area, but it also turns into a single bed. You do have this up here.
That's actually a big area.
And you have the a window up here that shades down.
It's probably power too.
Let's see if I can turn the lights on.
Yeah. Did you turn on the breaker?
I did. So you have powered shade, which lets quite a bit of natural light in.
This probably would end up being just storage for us anyways.
Unless we took the grandkids camping, they can both sleep up here.
Just a few Tupperware containers.
So the storage in here, you've got these guys. It does have a pantry, which is nice. You don't get this on every B+. A small pantry is better than no pantry. And then how you make this 2 separate rooms is you have your door here for your shower. That's how you seal it off. So if she was still sleeping in the morning, I could come up here, have coffee, have a place to sit where I wouldn't disturb her too much. I love the front of these.
They're beautiful cabinets.
2-burner cooktop, round sink. It doesn't look too bad. It'd be hard to clean anything in. 3 drawers, and then storage here under the sink, which you
Let's
probably
see what's underneath it.
put a trash can in.
Yeah.
And then
There's no storage underneath this one, correct? Oh,
that's how it folds out
yeah.
to make the bed.
But what about this one? There's like a
These
foot
both
cubby
fold out.
and that.
Okay, that one's got storage.
And it's got that tube for the table.
Yep. Fridge. It's a gas electric fridge, nor cold.
It's hard to see in this light, but it is a dark gray color. It's pretty.
And of course, you get a convection oven, high point. And then you get this space back here.
Oh, this is really good size.
This isn't closed.
It's a Murphy bed. Oh, it's not. That's not.
No, it's not closed all the way.
Oh. When you're not sleeping, it's your lounge.
You got a TV here. You can lay down on this, I think. It's plenty wide. When you are wanting to sleep, I would stuff these. Well, you can't. These would go on the floor. I think all these have to come off. That's the only problem I see with it.
Where you put them?
That's just it. So I think this can't lay down with these here. Let's see if it will. So I know this has to come out like a foot. Yeah, these have to move. So then you have
Oh,
your bed.
it is a one that you got to sleep sideways on too.
Yeah, you gotta sleep sideways, but
Is it a queen bed?
it's like a full size. For me, I would
little.
put these up on top of there.
Yeah.
And then what the thing is, you have space on the end, so you don't have to crawl over. You can go this way to get in and out of bed if you're on that side.
You got some storage. But you really can't. You can access it even with the bed down.
Something's sticking over here.
Something's not right on that. Or caught. It's like not going back far enough. Wonder what that is. What are these?
Seat belts.
Oh, okay. It has day and night shades.
It definitely gives you a lot of storage back here that you can use for clothes. Because you only have one wardrobe, right? This one right here.
Let's see what the bathroom looks like.
All right. So first we'll do the shower.
I'm literally standing as far in the corner as I can, but the camera's not super wide.
All right, so there's about a foot step.
I don't like that.
12-inch step up into the shower.
That could have been lowered.
It's a very, looks like it's a 3 foot by 2 foot, 24 or 36. It has the shower door that cleans itself as you let it go back.
You mean dries itself,
Yeah,
but
well, dries itself. It drains it right back down into the shower. As far as room, this would be tough to shower in for me.
there's no stool or anything?
No, there's no room to sit. It's tiny, but it's doable. I could still shower in here. I think it's got a place here to put your soap, turn around, shower this way.
Oh, the drain's on this side too. I mean, I definitely have more room than you. I always will. But
But it's not undoable.
not for me.
And not doable.
I can just tell by when you're in here. I don't like this kind of curtain.
I do like the walls, how they do have a bit of a gloss to them.
And then the toilet, that's very doable. It's not a big deal.
Well, you got a radius door. If you can see this door has a curve to it. I don't know if you can see the curve in it.
Give you kind of like access points and stuff. Toilet's interesting. It's a little high.
Is it porcelain?
Yeah, it's porcelain. Stool. And there's a little storage down here.
And storage up here.
You got to switch me places. You got to do a lot of happy dances through here because it is tight.
And close the door on me. So my knees were touching the door, but no big deal. And there is, like she said, a little storage. There's access panels. Very tiny sink. Okay.
Then it has one AC in here.
Yep.
Is there one up front? Is it
No,
two
just
AC?
One
AC?
Yep. It's a very comfortable seat. Little baby booster. Well, this is our first one. We're going to be looking at more of these, and I also want to look at some of them in the with the Ford Transit chassis versus the Mercedes, simply because they give you about the same 15 to 17 mile per gallon. So if that's the case, the Ford Transit is going to be a better deal financially because the diesel's more expensive. Of course, but and the price of diesel is more expensive, not just the engine.
Well, and repairs are more expensive.
And
on
repairs
diesels.
on the Mercedes are more expensive. I believe it comes with a 35 or a 4,000 watt generator, which you can get them opted in for the quiet diesel generator versus propane. I would do that because it runs off of your diesel tank versus your propane tank, and I just prefer that. So yeah, just let us know what you think of this. Do you like the two separate rooms with no slide? Are you interested in this type of rig? Let us know what you think. Could you downsize and be comfortable and not be at each other's throats? I don't know, I like it. I'm a fan.
Well, we'll just see what next one comes about.
Yeah, I can see us tooting around the country in this. Something like this, not this in particular, but
We're gonna toot.
we're gonna toot.
Okay.
Happy glamping.